Well, this isn't good. Guess we gotta fix this. Alright, so I have these other wheels, and they're pretty awesome wheels, and they have decent tires on them. But the problem is, they leak air. So I just filled this up the other day, and you can see it's already completely flat. So, step one, we're gonna figure out where it's leaking. Nothing. I don't know if this is going to focus or not, but we're at about 20. Maybe just less than 20. Alright, that should be enough to test. Alright, so now we're going to take our soapy water, spray it around the edge.
Why do we have to do that?
Well, we have to do that to see where it bubbles.
How do you know where it bubbles?
Well, because I have a feeling that this is leaking around the edge because I don't see any nails in it. And I think I'm gonna be right.
Are you making a video?
Yep, I sure am. So right here, you can see that there's bubbles building up. So that means that between the tire and the rim, there's a leak. So we're gonna have to fix that. And
Where
there's only
does
one.
it see bubbles?
See all these little bubbles?
Uh-huh.
Right there. And if you push them away, they'll come back again. You see how it's coming back?
Yep.
Alright, so now I'm going to use this tool to take out the valve, called a Schrader valve, in the valve stem. It's going to make a lot of noise.
Yep, it is.
Alright, so this is a Harbor Freight tire bead breaker. And it works some of the time. It's not perfect, but hopefully it'll break the bead on this wheel so that then I can reseal it and throw it on the car. So let's try it. Alright, so on this machine, you can put this thing anywhere you want. You can put the pin here, and it changes the angle of how you go at the tire bead breaking. So I moved it from this spot to this spot, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so now you can see the bead is broken loose, and you can see some corrosion under here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up all around this tire and reseal it and throw it back together again. Alright, now I got some bead sealer I'm going to throw on there, and then we should be able to seal this sucker up. So now we're going to seal up the valve stem, put this back in there. Alright, so now I'm going to spray some soapy water on it again, and we're going to see if it still leaks or if it's fixed. Alright, things are looking good. It's now been a couple minutes.
Who hasn't? building up.